first we're going to sew the two long edges together. I will slide it up to meet the back and the front, and using a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance and secure, and then threads. Go to the second edge, long edge. Again, join them together. You will have here the gap. Okay. As you can see here, I have overlapping, and this is going to be, when I flip it inside out, it will be the casing. So to help me make sure that I have them all correct, I will press it a little bit and come back here. So this is the piece that we just sewed together on the two sides, and we're going to press it, evening out the sides. Okay. Now I will go and sew these edges, close it. Okay. Alright, so this one here is pressed, just to help me as my guide. Okay, now I will sew these edges together, and on one of the edges I'm going to leave a gap so to allow me to turn it inside out. But first, this edge. And make sure that you don't go beyond this line, because then you will be closing the opening to the casing. I'm going to stop just before this line again and secure the stitch. So this side is fully closed. Now I'll take the other side and make sure again to leave a gap. And stop here, secure it, lift, and I move it about a couple of inches with a gap, then put it back down and start again. Just trim my threads. I'm going to turn it inside out. I'll start with that corner. I like to use this tool to get my corner out. And this, as you can see, is open to slide in the elastic. Now I'll go back to the ironing machines, the iron, to press it and make the pleats. we're going to press it and pleat it at the same time here. Use a little bit of steam. All right. I found that the best way to pleat it is to first fold it, not exactly in half, but to overlap just a little bit. And I press here, and that's my center pleat inside. So I'm going to do here. These are about half an inch deep pleats. And then take the bottom one, line it up, and press it. Okay. Now it's ready to be sewn on the two sides. Now that I have pleated it, I'm going to top stitch this, both sides. Alright, now I will secure the pleats in. I top stitching. Okay, it's ready now for the elastic to be pulled through. Now I am going to prepare the elastic with the slider and the ring. First, I will sew the elastic around the slider. Just to secure it in place. All I need is just about an inch folded, and I will secure the elastic together in here. I will be using a zigzag stitch. Alrighty. And back again. Now I take the ring and put it through on the other side. So this is the tricky part. So this is my ring, this is my slider. Okay. And I'm going to take the other and the open end and put it again in the slider. again. And pull it all the way through. So that's one edge. Okay. Now I'm going to pull it through the casing on the mask. Okay. So and then just make sure you don't twist it when you pull it through the other side. So I'm going to keep this here. Now this is the final step, is closing the loop with the elastic. So just about 1/2 inch fold, and I will zigzag it in to secure it again here, just a little bit. Clean it up a bit. Then I will now pull it back inside just for neatness and also to make it lock at this side. Like this. Okay. And I'll secure it in place. Going back and forth on it just a few times. And it's all done. It's now ready.